Welcome back. It's episode 5 and we are making garden bowls with beef with all the veggies I have in my fridge and a side of cauliflower rice, so it's low glycemic. Let's go. All right, I went ahead and chopped my cauliflower. We're just going to throw it in our trusty dusty food processor. Make some rice. It's just raw cauliflower. We're going to chop it up and then saute it like regular rice. Don't be scared to move it around, shake it around. I mean, that was faster than I thought. Looks pretty good. Give your pan some high heat with some olive oil. You're gonna pour that in with some salt and pepper and just saute it up for a few minutes. And you just pour it on. So the key is to constantly be stirring it around so that it gets cooked evenly. Okay, so I have that moved around with all of the oil. I'm gonna add some pepper and some salt. Okay, this is literally done in 4 minutes. I'm gonna turn off my heat and just scoop it into a bowl for later. Okay, I set the cauliflower rice to the side. We're going to start prepping our other vegetables. You wanna cook the squash and eggplant together because they cook at the same speed, and the peppers and onions together in a different pan because they cook at the same speed. This I grew from a seed. Can we just take a moment for the eggplant? Wait, what's the cone heads? When they see an eggplant at the store and she goes, we're gonna start chopping the veggies. Basically, everything I make is like a kitchen sink dinner. I just like to shop for what's in season and what's fresh, and then come up with recipes that use whatever I have in the fridge. All right, eggplant, squash, zucchini trio is ready. We are going to, yep, you guessed it, I love me some high heat. Add some olive oil. And throw it in. Okay, you wanna shake it around with some olive oil so everything gets nice and coated. Little salt. Whoops! Little pepper. All right, that's looking good, and we will start to prep our peppers and onions. I like these little mini sweet peppers. I generally just will cut the tops off and then use scissors for the rest. I'm gonna throw these in with the onions and a little bit of garlic. You wanna keep stirring those until they get a bit brown on all sides and they get soft. That's when you know they're done. Okay, those are ready. Onion. You can add some water chestnuts. It's a great addition. I don't have any on me today, but the onion gives that nice crunch. Whoops! Okay, these look good. So I'm gonna turn my heat off, add them into another bowl. Okay, we're gonna set those aside. Gonna grab a new one. And we're gonna turn the heat back on high, add some oil. After 30 seconds, you can add in your peppers and onions. This is my arm workout. Woo! Okay. All right, chop the ends off your cuke. and peel it. Favorite part of the bowl, we are going to put thinly sliced cucumbers in a bowl and shake them with coconut amino acids instead of soy sauce. It is so good. Excuse me. Just kidding. Just pour it in a bowl that has a lid with some salt. Sesame seeds would be a great addition if you have some. I do not at the moment. Shake them around. Okay, set those aside. Keep these moving. Those are almost done. Grab your beef. Gonna let that brown up a little bit more. Meanwhile, I will slice my tomato. And set this aside for later. We're gonna season the beef. My favorite combo is ginger, garlic powder, chili powder, salt, and pepper. So I have that prepped and ready right here. These look good. Going to turn off my heat and transfer them into a bowl for later. Gonna set these aside. You always want to use a clean pan, so we're just gonna This is organic grass-fed, of course. Ground ginger, bits of chili powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Just kidding, I don't know. Add in a bit more coconut aminos. Gives it that nice brown color too. Okay, beef's looking good. Let's assemble. Okay, going to start with our cauliflower rice. Make that the centerpiece. And then add some beef. Add your squash eggplant trio. Peppers and onions. Cucumbers. And tomatoes. Look at that. I'm so excited about this cauliflower rice. Oh my gosh. Whoa! Amazing. Okay, bye. Just kidding. I just want to eat this. Delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like and subscribe and leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next. See you next time.